This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can download Microsoft Teams in few days. Skype gonna close, so you can use Microsoft Teams instead of Skype. All your data information will go through to Microsoft Teams. So we're gonna do this in Mac Mini 4 version, the last version of Mac Mini or last version of Apple computer. So in this case, you have to go to Google Chrome, Safari, whatever you like to go. In this, you have to type Microsoft Teams. So here, Microsoft Teams, always better download from the page of Microsoft. Don't download from another page. Go inside. Here you have different plan and pricing. We want to download a free version. Hit download button. Download Teams for Microsoft. Hit this one. It's loading here, you can see. So we're waiting. So it's done here. I click this to open. Perfect. Hit continue button. Teams audio driver I need to install as well. It's a big software. You see 1.1 gigabyte. I hit for everything. I need all of them. I hit continue. Hit install. To put the password of your Mac. Let's see, writing file, running package script. Now we open here the Teams, put the same email address and password of your Skype account. It may connect all information. If it's not connecting all your chat and contact, then you have to synchronize. So I'm putting my same account. Let's see. So you can see here on my chart from Skype available for me at Microsoft Teams. From Skype, all synchronized via my old account here directly. If you have any problem, check the video description. I have more videos for solving some different issue with Microsoft Teams. So this is the way you can install Teams to your Mac Mini M4, any other version of Mac computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.